Hi, my name is Ayush Kumar Fatwani, and we are presenting today Lab 8 with and I also have my teammates Vivek Patel and Mohit Solanki. We have divided our work. So I'll start with task 1. So in task 1, we have to go to Format tab, then we have to click on Format, Bar Styles. In this, we have to change the shape for milestone. So we have to change the shape to the star. So we'll select the star, and we have to then we have to click on the task and go in the text, and we have to change the resources name to resources group. There you go. And then we have to click OK to apply it. So in task 2, I will ensure that the project summary task is visible. For this, I will go to Format tab and then go in Show Height group, and then I will check the project summary task, and I'll press F5 and write ID 0 and OK. Okay, now it's done. So now I have to fit the task name. So I'll double click on right edge. Okay, now it's done, and I will drag so that we can see start and end date, start and finish date. Okay, it's visible now. So now we have to save a custom view. For that, I'll go in view, cran chart. I'll select save this as a custom view and name the view as my custom grand chart, and okay. Okay, so now we are using our custom grand chart view, and we'll select grand chart view. Next, what I will do is I'll select format, and then I will select more options, and I will select the fourth one. Food style in the scheduling category, and yeah, this is done. Then again I'll go to the format tab. We'll select bar styles, and in the bar styles group, we have to check the critical task box, and then finally the task 1 and task 2 is done. So we'll save the project by pressing Ctrl S, and it should be done. Now my friend Vivek will continue his part, which is task 3.
Thank you, Ayush. I will now explain how to modify the appearance of task for summary task in the MS project. Firstly, now we will go to the View tab, and then we will click on the other views, and then we will select Task Sheet and click Apply. Then we will go to our keyboard and pressing F5, and then we will click 0 and then OK. This is completely optional as we are already on the top. So then we would go to the Format tab and click on Styles. Then under Items to change, we would select Summary Task. Then we would change the font to bold italic. the size to 12, then change the font color to white and background color at dark blue. Okay, then we will click OK and save the project. So for the next task, we will be modifying the appearance of a single piece of text. So now I will explain how to modify the appearance of a single piece of text. So let's now go to the View tab, click on Tables and select Cost. And then we would auto-fit the columns so that all the data is visible. Then we would select the total cost cell, and then for task 38, internal testing. Now we will go to the task tab and then click the expand button in the font group.
Thank you, Vivek. Hi everyone, my name is Mohit Solanki and I will now explain task 5 and task 6. So let's start with task 5. So for that we have to do the chat format, and then in columns there is column fields. In that we have two. In the field section, select text 1, then rename it to location. Okay, and for text 2, rename it to proving authority. Proving authority. Done. Thank you. So that was it for the task 5. Now I'll keep it okay. So we'll start task 6, which is create a custom table and view. So for that we will have to go to view tab, and then in the tables select more tables, not save table, more tables, then click copy. So there are some field names and we have to make some changes here. So first of all, for the name we will keep it external research schedule table. We have to check in this box. Okay, great. After that, we have to delete some rows which are not, which is necessary, like which are not important. So indicators, and by clicking this delete row button, we can delete this row like this. After that, task mode, then we have to keep name. We don't need duration, don't need finish, we don't need procedures, we don't need resource names. But also we have to add some new fields. So by clicking here, we can add location, and for the width of this, we have to do 240, and approving authority, we have to keep it 30. Okay, done. Nice. Also in the name, we have to set the width to 60, and for start we have to keep it 50. Okay. Now for the date format, we have to choose this one. Okay. So for now, we are done for this task. Like this was just a part A. Keep apply, and after this, we are gonna start part B of task 6. So for that, we have to go to ground chart and then more views. Then we have to select single single view, and then yeah, from here. Okay, done. So for the name, we have to keep it as we did before. So schedule view. Then for here we have to choose task sheet. For here external research schedule table. Here no groups. For this unfinished external research tasks. Here, yeah, and we have to keep check that this checkbox is checked. Yeah, it is checked. Okay, done. Apply. Thank you guys. This was it for the presentation, and I have finished my task file 6. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much.